Our direct-on-demand stores can be used to quickly and easily order postcards, business cards, letterhead, pre-printed inventory, and marketing materials all from the convenience of your computer. Today, you will learn how simple it is to order a variable job. As you can see, we are already logged into our Kiger Sales direct-on-demand store. Our sales staff use this store to send out promotional postcards, thank you cards, and to order their own business cards. Today, we are going to order our bright color postcard that showcases how well our iGen 4 prints bright and vibrant color. To choose a template, you can either double-click or highlight and click Continue at the bottom of the screen. The next page you see is a variable data form. Each form is unique depending on the number of variables available on your job, as well as the complexity of variability. The first item we see at the top of the form is which company we would like the card to come from. At Kiger, some sales staff is hooked to Kiger Printing, some Kiger Direct, and some both. As you can see, Kiger Printing is default. We are going to have our card come from the sales rep of Kiger Direct, Dave Willis. Watch as we choose his name. We can see that there are many fields that automatically change, the most obvious being the logo. Next, we are going to fill out the mailing information on the postcard. Okay, we're going to have this postcard come from John Sample. He doesn't have a title, so we'll leave that blank. He works at some company on some street. Now you can see on city, we accidentally skipped city, and we can see that an exclamation point showed up over here saying that the field value must be different than the default. This is just a warning for the customer that they don't want city to print on their postcard. So if I leave it blank, it also shows that we don't want our address to have a city blank. So it's just kind of a safeguard for the customer saying you really need a city to print on the mailing panel. And all different kinds of rules can be set up for every field. You can make the first and last name be required. You don't have to set up any rules, or they can just type in whatever they want. But like for business cards or stuff like that, you can have certain fields to make sure that they have to fill it in. Okay, now that we have all of our information filled in, we're going to click PDF Preview so we can see what our card's going to look like when it prints. Alright, as you can see on the front of the card, Kiger Direct filled in right here, which was that first field that we chose. If we would have chose Kiger Printing, it would have filled in right here. So this is our first variable field. If we go to page 2, you can see that John filled in over here. That's who we're mailing it to, is John. And we can see that our mailing information filled in over here. We can see that it's coming from Kiger Direct, and that Dave's picture as well as his name and email address filled in over here. So our sales rep information filled in correctly. We know that our postcard proof looks okay, everything filled in all right, so we're going to click Close. Okay, but if you have more than one postcard to mail out, which you more than likely will be the case, you don't have to put in each person separately. You can use the Add Records feature, which is located at the bottom of the page, and you can actually upload a database file, and you can view a PDF of every single postcard before you approve them to print. We're actually not going to go through that feature today, but I just wanted to let you know that it is available for ease of use if you have more than one postcard to order. So since we liked our PDF, we're going to go ahead and add to cart and check out. You can see that we have a shopping cart feature here. You can order as many copies of this card as you want. We're going to get a quote. And look, our postcard's free. Isn't that great? You would enter in your shipping address, which, since this is a postcard, that's not necessarily relevant in this case. Shipping method, which we would have postcard here. You can enter in a reference code if you have certain kind of records you would like to keep. You can enter the reference code here, and then you would click to place your order. You have an order confirmation here, and then you would be sent an email confirmation saying that your order was placed, and you would also be sent an email confirmation whenever your postcards were sent to the post office. All right, this concludes our demonstration, and I hope this gives you a better understanding on how to order a variable job through our direct on-demand system. Thank you.